Namaste all, hopefully you all are well. Today I will be going to show you how you can download Survey of India topographical map from updated Nakshe portal. But before going to the next, I want to announce very good news about that. Yesterday ही Survey of India के तरफ से ये newly designed website launch किया गया है. Actually, in between these 2 weeks, we are facing some really several problem on this web portal because no topographical sheet as well as digital reference map we are not able to download from this website. Yesterday, I was also sent a mail to them that we are not able to download the topographical sheet as well as a digital references map. So now we are very happy to show you that they have launched such a newly designed updated Atmanirbhar website जहाँ पे बिल्कुल फ्री में आप अपना स्टडी एरिया के रीजन अनुसार टोपो शीट विद इन अ सेकेंड डाउनलोड कर पाएंगे एवं यहाँ पे OTP आने देने का भी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं रहेगा क्योंकि बेसिकली इन 2 वीक्स न्यू यूजर को बहुत सी दिक्कतें आ रही थी OTP आने में. अब ये प्रॉब्लम यहाँ पे नहीं होगा. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर टुडेस टॉपिक. बेसिकली गूगल क्रोम ओपन होने के बाद आपको यहाँ पे लिखना पड़ेगा नक्शे सर्वे ऑफ इंडिया. देयर सर्वे ऑफ इंडिया साइट इज ऑलमोस्ट सेम, नो चेंजेस इन द वेबसाइट ऑल्सो बट दे विल अपडेट इट. सो सर्वे ऑफ इंडिया ओपन होने के बाद यू कैन सी हियर, जस्ट ओपन दिस पेज. Here you will see Survey of India has launched 17 August 2021 in accordance with Geospatial Guideline. It mainly requires 7 seconds and here you can see they have recently launched their new web portal. So here it is our Survey of India new website. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे lots of the decoration will be now changes. Many things will be now changes. Here, home, product, content of the geospatial data guideline, pricing policy. Also download their Survey of India font, etc. And here the option like sign in. So before that मैं आपको कहना चाहता हूँ प्लीज़ यहाँ पे देख लीजिए their pricing policy. So here you can see their pricing policy. Suppose आप यहाँ पे देख लीजिए ओपन सीरीज मैप PDF फॉर्मेट पे आपको सिंगल मिलेगा, यहाँ पे ओनली बिल्कुल मुफ्त में मिलेगा. तो here you can also see their guideline of geospatial data boundary. So now I am going to show you the product price of there. You can see all product and many product is available. So explore yourself in this new website. Now I will explain you how you can download the Survey of India, basically the topographical map, open series map with a free of cost. Okay. So here you can see our Honorable Prime Minister message in that. So you can also able to see the information services about Survey of India, this portal, etc. So for download Survey of India topographical sheet, you just want to visit now open series map. Here you can also see their product also. So just click on the open series map, like open series map free PDF option. Just click it. The page will be redirected. You can see only 1:50,000 ratio Survey of India data will be available here. And if you just put your sheet number, you can able to easily download your Survey of India topo sheet. Suppose I don't know about the topo sheet Survey of India number, so how I can perform? So but before that I wanted to request you, please sign in yourself, or if you have previously signed in then log in yourself. Suppose right now I am a new user, what I can do? Just go to here, register here option. Press the register here option. If you are from individual private organization, click here the proceed. And if you are from government organization, click them, scroll it down and click it here, proceed. Okay. And here some prerequisites have been there. You need some mobile ID, you need some valid mobile number, valid email ID, etc. And you can see here the steps is also available. At first enter your mobile number and email ID and then they need some verification with some on time password. Okay. So इसको क्लिक करने के प्रोसीड को क्लिक करने के बाद आप यहाँ पे देख पाएंगे यूज़र नेम, मोबाइल नंबर. सो प्लीज़ मेक योर यूज़र नेम करेक्टली, fill your username correctly and put your correct mobile number where you want to receive your one time password, and basically fill this captcha code for human verification. Then just click on to the next and OTP. Then you can see the verify OTP. जस्ट 5 सेकेंड के समय अनुसार ही आपके पास OTP आ जाएगा. इसको फिल कर दीजिए. पहले जैसा नहीं होगा कि OTP ना आए, ऐसा नहीं होगा. सो जस्ट फिल योर OTP राइट नाउ. आफ्टर दैट वेरीफाई हो जाने के बाद आप यहाँ पे अपना करेक्ट मेल ID यहाँ पे पुट करिए. उसके बाद अगेन आपको कैप्चा कोड फिलअप करना पड़ेगा. देन इसको फिल करने के बाद आपके रजिस्ट्रेशन मेल ID पे एक टेम्पोररी पासवर्ड जाएगा. मेल पे जस्ट क्लिक करने के बाद आपके रजिस्टर मेल आईडी पे एक सर्वे ऑफ इंडिया की तरफ से एक कंफर्मेशन मेल जाएगा। जस्ट उसको क्लिक करिए, लाइक वेलकम टू सर्वे ऑफ इंडिया ऑनलाइन मैप पोर्टल। देन वहाँ पे आपको एक टेम्पोररी मेल पासवर्ड और आपको एक यूज़र आईडी दिया जाएगा। जस्ट उसको क्लिक करिए एंड इस मेल पासवर्ड को आप चाहे तो आपके पास रख सकते हैं कॉपी पेस्ट करके भी। सो देन जस्ट अगेन विजिट द साइन इन ऑप्शन and enter your mobile number, and now make sure your temporary password will be successfully copy or paste in there. Just paste it, or you can just paste it there. Okay, make your temporary password there, put your temporary password there, and put your captcha code. Then go to the sign in option. Here you can see the new page will open. So here just you want to put your valid own register password. Just put your valid own password. Here you can see the on the note portion available. By check the note how it may be look like password must contain the minimum 8 character, at least one uppercase alphabet case. In this way you can put your password. सो सेट पासवर्ड करने के बाद ऑनलाइन मैप सर्वे ऑफ इंडिया ओके करने के बाद आप यहाँ पे अगेन आपको लॉगिन का पेज ओपन हो जाएगा। इसको अगेन आप अपने हिसाब से लॉगिन कर लीजिए, देन साइन इन कर लीजिए एक बार। You can now you can see you are able to be download or able to be buy their Survey of India different product. You can see also my account will be created on the right hand portion. Just go to visualize there and just make it scroll it down or up. Go to the home option, and if you now want to download Survey of India topographical sheet, let's follow. Again go to the open series map and make your sheet number. Like here you can see 39L by 12. If you are interested to download this website, you just paste it there or press download. Suppose I am not known about my Survey of India topographical sheet number or my grid number, my row number, my column number. So how I can download it? Go to the search icon and search sheet number icon. Just go to the Survey of India search sheet number icon. Just go to the select sheet option, then West Bengal, and go to the district option like Kolkata. Here you can easily find your Survey of India topographical sheet, as well as if you wanted to interest some other study area region, just put your district name and your state name. Okay, so after that just click on OK. If you interested to download from your different study area region, just select your study area region, state and district, then you can able to download. सो एट बिफोर टोपोग्राफिकल शीट ओपन सीरीज मैप ओपन करने के लिए हम लोगों को PDF पे अपना रजिस्टर मेल ID पुट करना पड़ता था. सो इट्स बेसिकली रियली सम हैवोक टास्क, but now they don't need to any password to open this file. It's this way you can able to download your Survey of India topographical sheet map. And such a digital map even shows some beautiful physical and cultural colorful image or feature like a real topo sheet. Whenever we go to Survey of India and purchase this, it will be like moreover 119 rupees as I was mentioned. But they Survey of India Nakshe portal have give this opportunity to us to download freely about this website. Even you can make combo xerox of it and it look like same. So you can easily able to download the village level shapefile boundary database or other database. So whatever, just go to the free other map. You can also able to download free other map also from there. It may be some extract for WinRAR folder file. Just paste it in your folder and extract it there. So now I will show you how you can import Survey of India topographical map databases in QGIS or go through my procedure as I have mentioned here. So just open your QGIS in your system. सो मैं बेसिकली आप लोगों को अगेन बहुत ही शुक्रिया अंदाज करना चाहता हूँ कि कल ही ये वेबसाइट लॉन्च हुआ है, न्यूली डिज़ाइन वेबसाइट, और हम बहुत ही लकी है आत्मनिर्भर भारत के अनुसार कि एक नया वेबसाइट डाउनलोड होने के बाद हम इजीली अपना सर्वे ऑफ इंडिया का टोपो शीट डाउनलोड कर पाएंगे. ओके, देन जस्ट गो टू द ऐड लेयर, गो टू ऐड वेक्टर लेयर बिकॉज इट इज़ SHP shape file format. Just go to open your desktop shape file OSM file. Just you can see here it is SHP format. Just go to open and add. If I can close this, you can take a virtual look about that, how it may be look like. आप यहाँ पे ओपन एट्रीब्यूट टेबल पे सिंगल क्लिक करने के बाद यहाँ पे अपना ओपन शीट नंबर, OSM शीट नंबर एंड द सर्वे ऑफ इंडिया 1984 एवरेस्ट शीट नंबर यू कैन ऑल्सो एबल टू सी इन विच रीजन और व्हाट ओपन सीरीज टोपो शीट नंबर स्टडी एरिया will cover. You can change the color of this sheet number by press just properties and go to symbology and just make it single symbol. You can see multicolor is available in there. You can also make it categorize, but it takes some heavily work. So just I can see here, if you can select OSM sheet, so it may be you can see here high number of the classes will take some time to loading problem will be there. So just press the categorize or all symbol, make a separate color or file to that. So in this way I will show you how you can download Survey of India topographical map and export it in QGIS. सो ऐसे ही आप अपने सर्वे ऑफ इंडिया की वेबसाइट को अच्छे से एक्सप्लोर कीजिए एंड एक्सपोजर को अच्छे से समझिए. सो थैंक यू वेरी मच डियर व्यूअर्स टू सी दिस वीडियो. इफ़ यू सी दिस काइंड ऑफ वीडियो इन अपकमिंग, प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब आवर ऑफिशियल यूट्यूब चैनल टेक्स डिलाइट. धन्यवाद. जय हिंद.